Okay, so this is video number 3. This is the handmade item from Sabrina the Mix Match Crafter for my birthday, as you can see by the paper. Can't talk now. Should have gone and got a drink. But, you know, I wanted to open this. And because I'm going to have to change batteries here in a minute. Hopefully I can keep track. The handmade item that I requested from Sabrina was a advent calendar, like the one that she made for her Christmas swap partner. Oh my God. And she wanted to do a winter's theme because my birthday is in January, so it's a winter theme. Oh, Sabrina, you watercolored this whole front panel? Oh my gosh, she punched the edges. She's got these beautiful blings on here. The eyelash trim. She knows I love eyelash trim. It's just something fancy. Winter wishes. The foxes. That's what I call my grandson, Fox. The bunny rabbits, the deer. I love deer. Very near and dear to my heart. Hard to explain. It has to do with my husband. Wow. Look at this, you guys. This is incredible. Oh, Sabrina. Handmade by Sabrina Cullen. She signed it. Yay! It's tied here. All this lace. I do love lace. Okay, let's see if we can figure out how to untie it the correct way. If I can get a hold of the two ends here. Oh my gosh, looky. Oh, it's beautiful. And she did them in order. We had a discussion about that. She said, do you like it like mix match where you have to hunt for it, or do you like it in order? I said, my OCD wants it in order. I said, but you can do it either way because it's your creation. But she did it. She did it in order. Oh, and look at the snowman. I love him. And the little cardinal. And the snowflakes. And baby, it's cold. I said, yes, ma'am, it is. It is very cold outside. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And they just lift off. I love it. Okay, guys. I'm going to break here because I got to change batteries, and then we'll come back and we'll open each one of these boxes and I'll share them with you. Okay, guys, I'll see you in a minute. Hi, guys, I'm back. This is Sabrina's Advent Calendar. I just want to open it real quick. We're expecting a bunch of snow, and I'm starting to get a headache, so that means it's rolling in. But anyway, this is so cute. I just love this. So, let's open box number 1. And we have, aw, some sloth ribbon. How cute. Oh, I'm so going to put that in my Valentine's box. That is so cute. See that? That is adorable. Love it. And then box number 2. Oh, she made me some felt flowers. How cute. Girl, you did a great job on these. How sweet. So I can put those in my Valentine's box. I think I'm just going to leave everything in here. And then after I get out my tubbies for a particular whatever, then I can put it away where it belongs. Ooh. Candy bracelets. I loved candy necklaces and bracelets as a kid. So I'll have to hide those. The candy will come out. Oh, some teeny tiny little conversation hearts. How sweet. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. See that? Sorry for the glare, guys. Here, I'll adjust the light a little bit. Cute, huh? They're adorable. Like I said, I'm just going to leave everything in here, and then when I get out my Valentine's little, ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yes, yes, yes. I love chocolate kisses with almonds. I can only have 1 or 2 because I'm technically allergic to tree nuts. But not bush nuts, not cashews, not peanuts, which is weird. But I cannot touch a pecan or a macadamia nut. I will end up in the hospital. I go anaphylactic. So I avoid those like the plague. And if I get them, I give them to hubby. Because he can eat all that and he's happy anytime. I'm going to have to hide them because if I don't, he will eat them. There's never any treats for me because he's a piglet. Ooh, silk ribbon. I know. She showed me this. This is so awesome. I use a lot of silk ribbon in my doll work. What does it say? It says something. So I'm trying to get... Oh, it just says Therese, I think. Or... No, Bushilla. Wow, that's the good stuff. Yeah, so I am definitely going to be using this beautiful ribbon on some of my creations. Awesome, Sabrina, thank you so much. This is hard to come by. And usually when you find it, it's pretty expensive. Okay, number 7. More chocolates. I will take them. That's not a problem. Thank you so much. At least I have a little... You know, I'm not a big sweet eater. Well, actually, no. Technically, I do have a sweet tooth. Big one. But I control it. Buttons, buttons, buttons. I love buttons. These are cool. These are old buttons. Those are jacket buttons. These are like old military buttons. I'm not even kidding. Those look like the old military buttons. The old style, like when I met hubby. That's the kind of button that was on his uniforms. Some of them. Ooh, more, yay! Number 10. Ooh, 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 ooh! Look at that pretty lace. Oh, that's gorgeous. And the little bling in the middle? I love it. There's a lot here too, girl. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I can use that for a project I have coming up, actually. For somebody special. So, yay. Put that back in there. Ooh. More chocolates. I got quite a pile over there now. Wow. I'm going to be set for a while. Ooh, look, pretty flowers. Oh, these are awesome because they look dried. I love the flowers that look dried. They are my favorite. Absolutely. How'd you know? I don't think I ever told you that. I don't think I ever told you that I love the paper flowers, but I love the ones that look dried because they are perfect for grungy girly cards, as I call them. I think Twindy said grungy girly, shabby, chic, something. What is it, Twindy, if you're watching? I don't think she watches my channel anymore. I think she's too busy. More chocolates. I am set. Oh, maybe that's why I have a headache. I eat one. There. Okay. Ooh, gears. These are plastic, but they're cool. I've never seen these. I have no idea where you got these, but these are cool. Gears are always appropriate. You can use them anywhere, and they make great flowers if you do it up. And that didn't really make sense, did it? Oh, bling, bling, bling. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, I love these. They're like, ooh, these are pretty. Those came off, but that's probably from the cold. Look at those. They're like cut. I love them. And there's some pretty, pretty blue ones in here. My favorite color. Come out of there. You wonky tubulus. Come here. There we go. My favorite color. So I'll put those back in there. Okay, on to number 16. What's we got? Christmas charms. Oh my gosh. Look at all those. Jesus is the reason for the season. Yes, Santa Claus, a snowflake, a very large tree. What else we got? Aw, a bear, another snowflake. We got more in here. Some more snowflakes, a little stocking, a super... Oh, look at the teeny weeny little gingerbread. Oh, I love it. Another big tree, another stocking. Oh, I love it, girl. I love it. Thank you so much. I'll put those in my little small tubby that I use for... It's like one of those tool things that I use for all my small... Ooh. I think I have to put these in the thing now because I'm getting quite a few. I could probably put a few of them in the candy dish in the dining room where I leave it for hubby, or put him on his desk because that's what we do. It's like a little love note. When he knows I'm mad at him, he'll put chocolates on my computer desk. Oh, we got one that wants to be difficult. Okay. Ooh, buttons. More buttons, and they look like clocks. Oh, cool. Look at the heart one. These are awesome. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Sabrina. Number 19. Are these beads? Did you get me a bunch of beads? You did. Oh, look at those. Those are beautiful. I told her I had a bunch of beads, but I didn't have any real small ones that were sparkly to put on some projects that I've been working on. I'll show them soon. Ooh, and these are like a peacock color. How pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love those. Thank you so much. So those will go in my bead organization. And what do we got here? Oh, some of those roses you got. Oh, these are going to be perfect for some of the Valentine's things that I'm working on. I know it's going to be late, but, you know, better late than never, right? I'm always late, you guys. The struggle has been real. I'll just say that. Okay, what do we got? Ooh. Oh, this, I know what this is for. I know why you sent me this. Yes, yes, yes. And the paper is on its way, Sabrina. I can't wait to make them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When I send your birthday box, I'll share some of mine that I got because they're pretty cool colors. So you can do it too. Okay, and number 22, which is hubby's birthday. And more candy. Oh, I'm going to love it. Thank you so much. What on earth did you do? Holy cow. Look at these, you guys. They're cameos with bling. Look at those. They're beautiful. Oh, those would be perfect for something I'm working on. They're beautiful. I love them. I have a love for cameos. I have a real one that was my grandmother's when she was a little girl. And it was the first real piece of jewelry I ever got. I was 10. I'm kind of a closet gemologist. Oh, and more. What a great way to end. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful, so well constructed. It is just absolutely, I'm going to put this back in here, absolutely perfect. I wanted one of these. I'm a visual person, and I really I wanted to see this because I knew you put so much love into that Christmas one that, Anyway, for that swap. So, but this is beautiful. Now you just got to figure out what other thing you want me to make you for your birthday. So, anyway, I'll tie this back up. Look at this beautiful cover again, you guys. This is just gorgeous. I don't think I can tie this. We can try. Fingers aren't working so great today. Oh, I got it. Okay. So it is quite beautiful. I just love it. Sabrina, you did such a beautiful job on this. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for the box. I will always treasure this. Always. And I'll bring it out every birthday. For sure. So thank you so much for all the goodies and everything that you sent along with it. I really, really love it. And you know that, you know, I'm so fond of you. You're such a sweet and kind and caring person. And look at you, craft girl. You go. You go. All right, guys. I am going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. There's technically one more box. And it's got a few handmade things in it, and I will be sharing those along with some projects that I made. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Be kind and make a happy memory, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.